All right. Welcome back to Excel Academy. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm going to do a short tutorial about how to change the way letters appear. So you have what you'd call the proper case function here in Google Sheets. Before I get started, make sure that you like and subscribe so you can get more updates. More of the upcoming videos are going to focus on Google Sheets, so if you're interested in that, keep tuning into those. The functions work exactly the same in Google Sheets for the most part as they do in Microsoft Excel. So even if you're using Google Sheets or you're using Microsoft Excel rather, the functions translate, the process is pretty much the same. And when it's not, I'll make sure that I underscore that. So again, like and subscribe. And with that, I'll hop into the lesson here. So you'll see our fake company called Binko's Toy Company. This is a website report, of course, using kind of filled in data. We're looking at potential visits. And what you'll notice is that these letters are uppercase while these are lowercase. Now, if you get data from someone else, this is likely to happen. You'll have mixed cases. Some things are uppercase all the way, some things are lowercase, and some things are mixed. So really simple to fix this. You just, in this case with Google Sheets, you're going to add a new column here, and you're going to equals, which is what you use for any function in Excel or when you're working with spreadsheets for the formula. And then you're going to type in proper, all capital. So it even tells you it's going to capitalize each word in specific string. All right, and then you have to tell the spreadsheet where to look. So you're going to click over here and then close, and then voila. So now you can autofill this. As always, you want to check your work to make sure that the formula worked properly. And you'll see, for example, we're over here. This was uppercase G, then lowercase o, w, and r, and v. These are all capitalized now. Now, if you're presenting this in a spreadsheet and you just want to clean it up so it's simple, this is an excellent way to save yourself a few minutes or several minutes, potentially, depending on what exactly the size of data is you're working with. So what you'll notice here too is that we put an equals here, so it's referencing this first cell. So if we were to delete this right now, I'll show you as an example, it's actually going to make the formula not work because it's not referring to anything. So the way to get around this is also pretty straightforward. You remember in earlier videos, you just want to highlight the cell and you're going to copy it. So Command C if you're on a Mac, Control C if you're on a PC, and then you're just going to paste it back. All right, so you're going to paste, not regular paste, you're going to go to paste special, and then you're going to select paste values only. So when you'll do that, you notice when you click here, let's go back so you can see, before it was referring to A5. Now that you pasted only the values, it's not referring to anything. It's just showing the actual answer, right? So what's in A5 in the correct format. So I'll just clean it up with one more step and get rid of the highlight here. Make sure you can either go white background, which I think is good for this, and then you can clean this out. So what I would do in this situation is just cut here, and then just paste, and then delete this extra column. All right, so pretty straightforward. There's more formatting you can do on a spreadsheet like this, but that is how you use the proper the proper function in Excel or in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. With that, feel free to enjoy some more videos. I created a new playlist that's called Excel Basics, and those are exactly what it sounds like. Basic skills that you want to pick up for Excel. This is something, a one-off thing, where if you get data and it's not quite in the format you want, that you might use. But that playlist, which I encourage you to watch, is going to have more essential skills for Excel. All right, so I'll see you all soon.